Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We've come up with a pretty cool training program for enthusiasts and shop owners for motorcycle audio installations. We do a lot of bikes here. At any given time, we have between 20 and 40 bikes getting audio upgraded, and we've gotten pretty good at it. We've streamlined the process. We know what works, we know what doesn't work, and it's a program that we offer for free, absolutely free. The only thing you have to do is pay for your hotel stay. We will cover the rest. We make sure that we try and touch all the bases between proper wiring, proper grounding, calculating the proper battery size, calculating the proper gauge wiring to use, what amplifiers work, what amplifiers don't work, what the limitations of the motorcycle are, cutting saddlebags. I literally keep sets of saddlebags here. That way, when somebody's here training, they can practice on them, so they don't have to practice on a client's bike. We go over sealing, porting, bag bracing. It's just one of our ways of giving back to the industry that's given us so much. And another thing that I like about it, if you've been to our training program, then I can feel confident sending one of our clients to your shop in your state, knowing that you're going to do it the way that we do it. So the latest person to go through our training program is Manj. He came from Canada. He actually spent 10 days here. Closed his shop for 10 days to come train with us. So that's a huge commitment on his part. We've been in touch. He left a couple of weeks ago. We've been in touch almost every day, and he's doing really, really well. He's implemented everything that we've taught him, and it's really stepped his business up. It's really hard to commit to do something unless you're somebody doing it successfully. Then it gives you the confidence to do it, and that's exactly what he did. Every single person that comes to train with us at the shop, I tell them, if you want to get more Harley Davidson audio clients, you have to buy a Harley Davidson from the shop. So Wayne from Mississippi bought his. Manj just placed the order for his, and he should have it in a couple of weeks. Wow, Harleys are really expensive in Canada. They're expensive here in the United States. They're even more so in Canada. He was showing me what he pays for parts, and some of the parts in Canada cost more to the dealer than they cost here to our retail client, which is insane. Now I see why the silver bike that we did a wiring rescue on, why the bill was so high. It wasn't that the shop was overcharging, it's just the damn parts cost so much more in Canada. They get double import tax, it seems like. So this video of Manj hanging out and training with us. He's done an amazing job. He's been sending me pictures of the work that he's doing and asking questions, and he's doing a great job. If you're in Canada, go see him. I'm gonna put the information for his shop at the end of the video so you can reach out to him. Check it out. All right, so we got Manj taking care of these saddlebags today on this street glide. So you notice all the wires coming out of the saddlebag. That's because they put an amplifier in the saddlebag. He's gonna pull all that out, and then he's actually gonna be cutting the 10s in these bags. So we're gonna do some Nagy rings, 10s. We're gonna convert that to the port. So the port's gonna go there. That's where the Diamond Audio 8 is. And we're gonna do a 10-inch mid bass here. I'm going to make a block-off plate with a round hole in the center and a gasket, so we're not going to have to recut the back part of the bag, but I will make the port work through there. But all this is going to have to come out because there will no longer be an amplifier in the bag. We're doing 2 amplifiers in the fairing that are more powerful. So, got this?
Yep, got it.